I converted this pressure sprayer to work on a cordless compressor. This sprayer had a faulty pump, so I created this part in FreeCAD and 3D printed it, so that I can connect my compressor, my cordless compressor, to the pressure sprayer. In this video, I'm going to test this 2 amp 20 volt battery that is fully charged to see if it can handle a 7-liter container of water without charging it again. I made a series of 3 videos, one where I dismantled the pressure sprayer and where I creating the part and then assemble it again. That videos I will add at the end, all 3 of them, so that you can go and watch them. And in this video I'm just want to make a conclusion to see how much energy it will take from me to empty a 7-liter pressure sprayer. To start, it took about 42 seconds to get the pressure sprayer up to 3 bars. For the rest of this video, I'm just going to speed it up. I'm not going to cut any pieces out of it so that you can see exactly what I did till the cylinder is in. Just over 8.5 minutes and the cylinder is empty. The effort that I have used is mostly to keep the cylinder high enough to be on the camera, but after that it works like a charm. To empty the cylinder of 7 liters of water didn't take very much of the battery. All 3 lights still on, so nearly fully charged. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.